In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Can't Feel My Face by The Weeknd. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's a chord chart available for this song, which you'll find exclusively on my Patreon page. So click on the link in my description box below and access your chord chart today. And finally, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this concert-sized Nova ukulele, which by the way is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very sturdy, travel friendly, it's not going to break or warp in different weather conditions, and it comes in a bundle with things like picks, some strings, a strap, and other accessories that are going to make playing this instrument very enjoyable. So if you want to get your hands on this, click on that link in my description box below and get your hands on a carbon fiber Nova ukulele today. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Can't Feel My Face, and those chords are G major, F major, and A minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And the last chord for the song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. 1 and 2 and G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G major for 2 turns of the string pattern, F major for 2 turns, and then A minor for 4 turns of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 F major, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 A minor, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's play the chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, down, F major, down, down, tap, down, down, A minor, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, G major, down, down, tap, down, down, F major, down, down, tap, down, down, A minor, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through Can't Feel My Face. 1, 2, 1, 2. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. Oh, oh. I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Can't Feel My Face. And that's how you play Can't Feel My Face by The Weeknd. thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leilani Kaululau for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe to access your chord chart exclusively on my Patreon page, and check out this next tutorial to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.